Hi, welcome back to A New Day Kindergarten. We are here. We're going to start with calendar and then get into some math later. But let's look at the top of our calendar. What month are we in? October. And you've told me that it has 3 syllables, but let's count how many letters it has. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. What is one letter that we have studied in our ABC books, our letter books, that you recognize? O, yes, that is one for Oswald, and C for Cass. You're right. Those are the 2 letters that we have in that word. O says ah, C says k. So October, the first 2 sounds that you hear are already letters that you are experts on. Well done. If you look at our chart, it says that yesterday was Monday. It's not Monday, it's a new day today. Yesterday was Monday the 12th. We need to do some changes on this calendar. So let's start by saying the days of the week so that way we can figure out what day comes after Monday. We'll say all of them from the top to the bottom of our chart, and then we'll go back and change that clip. Are you ready? Here we go. There's Sunday and there's Monday. There's Tuesday and there's Wednesday. There's Thursday and there's Friday. And then there's Saturday. So if yesterday was Monday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday is today. Taco Tuesday, terrific Tuesday. Today is Tuesday. I'm going to move our clip. All right, now that shows what today is. It's Tuesday, but we still don't have the number right on our chart. We can't keep it at 12. We have to change it. So let's start at the beginning of our calendar and count up to what day of the week day of the month we are on. Ready? Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Today is 13. Can you tell me what a 13 looks like when you would write it? If yesterday was a 1 and a 2 for 12, today is 13 or 3-teen, you could even say if you're having problems with that. 13 is going to be a 1 and a 3. Okay, but I don't know if I should put a fire truck or a pumpkin in. Do you remember what kind of pattern we're doing this month? It's an A, B, B pattern. So I can't put 2 fire trucks next to each other, can I? No, but we do have to read the pattern to find out if it's going to be a truck or a pumpkin. So let's read it. Ready? Fire truck, pumpkin, pumpkin. Fire truck, pumpkin, pumpkin. Fire truck, pumpkin, pumpkin. Fire truck, pumpkin, pumpkin. Fire truck. Yeah, I need to find the fire truck that has my 13 on it to put that in our square. All right, let's say the date. Let's say it all together. Ready? Today is Tuesday, October 13th, 2020. Let's say it one more time, a little faster. Today is Tuesday, October 13th, 2020. Great job. I'm going to pause the video and set it up so we can go do our day of the school year next. All right, we are over here and we are ready to sing our Twinkle Twinkle song to find out what number comes after 32 for our school year. Are you ready? Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33. Yeah, 33, because all of these numbers end in a 3. And if this has a 3 at the beginning and this number has a 3 at the beginning, this one has to follow the same pattern, have a 3 in the beginning in your tens place value. And it also has the same number in the ones place value. They're twinsies. So great job singing with me and counting to 33. We're going to get into our math paper next. You will need your flashcards, your pencil, and your eraser. All right, boys and girls, I told you that you need to have your flashcards with you. Now, some of them we haven't learned yet, so those are going to stay in the bag and those are going to stay to the side. But there are 6 of them that you will have to have in front of you. That's what our lesson objective is today, to practice your flashcards so it's getting easier every time you do it. So let's start with the first flashcard. We're going to go in order, just like we do in our doubles rep, where we start with 0. Are you ready? So we're going to start by saying it at the top, and then we're going to flip it over to see our answer. Are you ready? Here we go. 0 plus 0 equals, let's check, 0. So let's say it together. 0 plus 0 equals 0. All right, let's find the next one. 1 plus 1 equals, ready? 2. Say it again. 1 plus 1 equals 2. And the next one. 2 plus 2 equals 4. Let's turn it over. We'll say it one more time. 2 plus 2 equals 4. Oh, here's the tricky one that was goofing me up. Are you ready? 3 plus 3 equals kicks. Yeah, 3 plus 3 equals 6. Here's another one. 4 plus 4 equals, that's great. 4 plus 4 equals 7. Oh, 8, I was close. Let's say it again. 4 plus 4 equals 8. 4 plus 4 equals 8. That's great. And the last one that we learned. 5 plus 5 equals, again. 5 plus 5 equals 10. Again. Good work. So when you're done, make sure you practice this one more time with your grown-up or your teddy bear or your baby doll or your stuffed animals or your action heroes, whatever you have at your house, even your plant or the wall. You can say your flashcards to a grown-up if they are around to help you. Okay, that was the first part of our math lesson. The second part of our math lesson says to work on math paper 28. So on your paper, it'll have a 28. It'll have a 26 at the top. A 2 and a 6 say 26. But the first thing we need to do is write our name at the top of our paper. Okay, you need to write yours in pencil, so you have an eraser that you can fix any mistakes with, okay? This is what you're going to use. I'm using this so that it shows up brighter on the computer for you to see. Trace the number 26 and then write the number 26 one more time. All right, so we're going to trace the solid gray line and then trace the dotted gray line. And then we're going to write it. So curve around and slide to the right. And then for our 6, it's a big curve, small loop will give you 6. But we're not going to be done with our numbers up there. We have to divide it into the 10s and the 1s. So make your line to separate them. And then put a T above the 2, because that's in the 10 spot, means we have 2 full rows of cards, and then a 0, or it's actually an O, above the 6 to show that it's in the 1 spot. T and an O, T and an O. And those can be capital letters, that's fine. Now we have a story problem. We have to read it and we're going to draw out the different parts of the story problem. Number 2 says Solomon put 5 glasses on the table. Then he put 1 more glass on the table. Draw a picture and write a number sentence to show the number of glasses on the table. All right, so at first he has 5 glasses. Glasses can just be rectangles because they're not too hard to draw. You don't have to draw fancy handles or fancy bottoms on them. You can just make a rectangle. But it says he has 5, so that's the important part. He had 5 glasses. Then he put 1 more on the table. We need to draw a line to divide our story problem to show that there are 2 parts to this. He had 5, and now he has 1 more. So we're going to put 1 more on the table. It says draw a picture. Yeah, we did that. But then it says write a number sentence to show the number of glasses he has. So we have to pick this apart and start with the first group. How many did he have on this part of the picture? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. He had 5. So we have to draw and write the number 5 on the line. Then he got more. So what was the name of that math symbol we have to use to show that his group is getting bigger? Yeah, the plus sign, the addition sign. Remember, that's kind of what our Jesus cross looks like. This is a some more story problem to show that he had an amount, but now it's getting bigger because another part is being added to it. How many glasses did he have in the second group? Just 1. Then we have to do that math symbol that says drum roll coming. Answer is almost here. An equal sign. We get to do that silly little dance. Equals. Now we're going to count all of the glasses from the left side to the right side. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We're going to put the number 6 after our equal sign. It says, how many glasses are on the table now? We're going to put that answer on the line below to answer the question. Number 3 says, point to the shape that is different and put an X on it. Ooh, so we need to look at them and use your detective eyes to look and see which one looks different than the other 3. 3 of them are the exact same. They're all facing the same direction, but one of them is different. You put an X on that one for me. I'm not going to do it. Then we're at the bottom of our paper, number 4. Point to the square at the top left. Okay, so this is where you're going to need your crayons, and we're going to have to look at some instructions on how to color the shapes. It says, look at the top left. All right, top and bottom row, okay? So you can divide those. There's the top ones. You can cover up those bottom ones. Now it says, find the top left one. Look at your hands. Which one is closest to the left side of your paper? Color that one red. Okay, here's the top. Is this one closest? No, this one is closest to the left. So we're going to color this one red. Okay, it says, Point to the square at the bottom left and color that blue. I'm grabbing my blue marker for you. Now we're going to switch to the bottom so we can cover up these ones that are on the top. Now we have to find the bottom left. Okay? Which one is on the left? This one or that one? Looking at your hands, and mine's kind of blocking it. Left. Yeah, that one. Left is closest to my left hand picture here. All right. Then the third one says point to the square at the top right, color it green. Ooh, so now you have to decide which one is top and which one is bottom. The top square on the right side, here's the right side of your paper because that's where my right hand is, says color the top one green. I'm going to have you do that one all by yourself. And then the bottom square, color it yellow. So you will need to have your green and your yellow out. The top one is green. The bottom right is yellow. Okay, I am really proud of you. Thanks for working hard, and I will see you next time.